only one, to him alone I pray. The King of Kings, how we representing like boy, Jah Jah Rastafari, ever living, ever true, ever faithful, ever sure. Hey, I wanna walk the earth free as a bird. I wanna stroll through holy Mount Zion with the heart of a lion. I wanna walk the earth.
They just do like a random video on the back of your car.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like that.
Yeah, cuz. Right.
What's the boys up to? Cuz, can you have a quick look on Instagram and see what that stream looks like?
Yeah. Bro, I'm so tired,
Was it the gym, cuz?
Yeesh. Good looks on, cuz.
Moon.
He's got the 820 around the top there.
Oh, you know. You know.
It's been playing around with the old.
Nah, I logged into my old account so that I could get my YouTube, and then all of my old like scenes and that were on here. So yeah, you might just have to play around with it to change it up a bit if you want.
No, it looks mean, Jay.
Let's go. I think I'm live on YouTube as well, and on TikTok. Nice. All right. Let's have a look at our fundamentals.
He's live on there too.
The YouTube one looks mean.
Yo.
Does
Yeah.
it? There you go.
Pro guy. Another pro guy.
Bro, Ali, did you get my message about Eli?
Nah. What would you send it on?
Telegram.
Oh, I have a look.
Bro was just flying home, straight to bed.
This is about Eli. He was on earlier today.
You got a big chest. How much you bench, he reckons. Lightweight. Come on. Look at NU. Let's have a look. NU. Do you trade NU? NU's so slow for me. I hate trading NU. Yeah, NU's looking good. Like, we've had this change of broker structure down here. Prices pulling back up. We do have USD news coming up, which is what I was just looking at. So with the ADP, holy, that's at 12:15. That's in 17 minutes. ADP, baby. So we'll have a look at what that's going to do. Realistically, $152, sort of averaging around 160, eh? It's a hard one because it's averaging around 160, so whether or not it's going to push or not is the hard thing. Going from 152 to over 163. What do we think? Let's have a look at our fundamental, our technicals. I mean, gold's pushing up. Gold's been pushing up all day, which we missed the easiest buy. But it is what it is. Just need to plug this in. Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
Oh. Bro, it goes so silent, eh? And I'm like, am I talking to myself, bro? Or yeah, so we've been pushing up all day. Asian, London, we have been pushing all of the day. Coming into New York, we could see a pullback, but realistically, we've got all of this imbalance here to fill. Pulling back up into here, and then I think for the like tomorrow, we have bank holiday for USD. So I think we'll consolidate around this area, and then NFP, hopefully, end up getting this daily change of character. I mean, that's what it's looking like. That's what we want to kind of. So the rules made much from that. Sorry, from the beginning. Yeah, you make a living from it, bro. That's good. That's good. Oh, goody.
What are you thinking gold's going to go, Cuz?
But it's a hard one. Like ADP at the moment is sort of averaging about 160. They're expecting 163. Going from 152 to 163, like bit of a push, but yeah. It's a hard one, to be honest. Because we've had that massive push on our technicals as well.
Yeah.
And it's still, creating high, low. We've come back down into this point of interest, still created a new high. So, pulling back down, yeah, it'll be.
Didn't suit that low though, eh?
Which low?
The one that it just tapped into at.
Nah. No, it did not. At 2342.
Yeah.
Yeah. It has not. How much do you bench, bro? Oh, that's a lot. We got about 18 minutes for us to wait for that. But I didn't realise you can put media files on your stream and that, eh? So like, you know how those guys that you were showing me, is all that music in there playing? Yeah, I think I know how to do that. NU. Sorry guys. Sorry bro, I'm live on like TikTok, YouTube and this. Yeah, NU's looking like it wants to go down. Obviously with news coming, she's a tough one. Well, what's... I mean, US 30 and NAS both look like they need that retracement. Whether or not it's going to happen now or like a couple of days with NFP, unsure. EU looks like it wants to still go up. GU looks like it wants to... It's coming to like the top of the range. So NU, like it does look like it still wants to come down, but you can't... with news coming, it's a hard one.
You do have FOMC at 6 o'clock tonight too.
Again.
Oh, that's just meeting minutes. There won't be much.
Oh,
Nah. There will not be much at all. You think NU will go back down? Yeah. I mean, it might push up into like this area up here, NU, before dropping down, but overall it looks like it wants to go down. We're sort of creating like a head and shoulders on gold. With news, if it's going to be... It has to get higher than 163. Higher than 163 will push gold down. Anything less than 163 is going to push gold up. So it has to get over 163. How long did it take you to learn trading online? I mean, I didn't learn trading online. I was in courses and like mentors and stuff. But yeah, took me a while. I learned a lot of different strategies and didn't stick to one, so I was a know-it-all, wanted to know everything. I jumped in a GJ buy right now. Yeah. I mean, we were in a GJ... we were in a GJ buy at 205.361. 205.361. We were in a GJ buy down here, so GJ is definitely pushing up. Like it's been pushing up forever. Yeah. Were you in there? Are you in the signals? Where do you think GJ will go to? Bro, GJ's just creating higher highs, like new all-time highs. Every single time it creates that new higher high. So I have no idea where it's going to go to because it's a new territory right now. No idea. No idea, my guy. Alright, let's check this out. Hourly, realistically, like, we're getting a lot of rejection from this area. She's a tough one. She's a tough one.
because you want to share your screen on here too?
No, I can't.
Hey?
Huh? Like, it'll just be overloading my GPU, I think.
Oh, well.
Everyone who's listening to you describe it and they're like, what?
Oh, true.
This one, that one.
Should I mute myself?
I was watching you on Insta as well, but it's delayed. It's so weird.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know, like 30 seconds delayed or something.
Yeah, I'm like, you already told us what MU's doing. What?
How long do you usually stay up during New York session? Bro, like, depends if I'm catching trades early. Like, if I catch a trade early enough in like NYSE, then we're good. But yeah, because I try and trade NAS US 30 or gold, and depending like whether or not we're in a trade or not, will depend how long I'm going to stay up. Like, even before NYSE, if I've made enough money, then we're good. What do you think news will pump gold? Bro, it's a hard one. Like, news has to get above 163k for gold to go up, and that's over 12k, which is like somewhat of a push. Like, it can happen, but it might bring gold back down into like points of interest down here, and then overnight NYSE push all the way back up. Because obviously we've broken these highs. We're getting rejection from these highs a lot, and now it's coming back into like imbalance. Coming back into imbalance. So you leave trades overnight? I mean, it depends. Some trades I leave in overnight. Some trades, if it's like real up and down, like NAS US 30, then I'll just take them. Make a quick 1 to 3, 1 to 4, or maybe 1 to 10, depending on like the trade, obviously. But yeah, hi there, mate. I'm just running. Is this really? Yeah, this is my real TikTok. I know there's like 20 other people that, as soon as you like my page, it's crazy. Everyone starts adding you. Now, I don't know why, but it's annoying. How was your day, brother? No, it was good. It was good, bro. Done heaps of content. Recorded another podcast, so that's going to be coming out. We got heaps of guests. Like, we just sorted out so many guests that are going to be coming on to the podcast, which is awesome. Like, good content for you guys to sort of get an idea from other traders as well. So make sure you're following the YouTube if you want to see those. If you want to see those podcasts. Do you ever get anxious or stressed in trades nowadays? Nah, not anymore. Like, I've traded long enough. I've traded enough volume to understand like what I'm doing. To like understand what I'm doing. So everything that I am doing is trying to be as emotionless as possible. You just want, like, if you're going to be trading, you want everything to be as mechanical as possible. Your setups, your entries, exits, all of that. Nice. But I know it's annoying. So many copycats, and like purely they just make it just to like scam people into thinking it's me. Like, I've had people message me like people were asking for like $6,000, and like someone had sent them $6,000, and then they just lost it. But realistically, like, the stuff that they say to you, is that not like a red flag? Yeah, bro, I was messaging, but they were hard out trying to pressure me to. Bro, I know. I don't even use WhatsApp. And you sell right now? Nice. That's not bad. It could sell off. Oh, NU. Yeah, could sell off from this area. Like, obviously you want to see closures. NU moves like way too slow for me. But we could see NU come back up into here and then sell off first. You always try to add, or you like? No, I don't really like to add to my strategy. Like, my strategy is very plain and simple. What I like to add to is my knowledge about fundamentals. Fundamentals is the key. Like, if you want to be good at trading, you got to understand fundamentals and how the market works properly. It doesn't work because of like patterns and stuff. Do you have a YouTube channel? I do. It's just Ambitious Investing. Same as, well, not the TikTok, but you can see the logo. It's just Ambitious Investing. I'm live on YouTube at the moment as well. Do you go live in your group every day when you trade? Yeah, we go live London and New York, NYSE, and we do education calls as well. I do the 15 minutes on Forex. Yeah, it's not bad. I like to use what we call multi-time frame analysis. So multi-time frame analysis, you use all of the time frames to get an understanding of where price wants to go, rather than just using one. Yeah, for sure. Who are my mentors? So there's a guy at Capital Hungry. There's a guy at Roger Banks. Who else's courses did I buy? But I bought like 5 different courses. Some of them were like real good, like Roger, Capital Hungry, like those types of people. Q Banks, Mumbo Effects. I bought his course. Not that it was like any great, but some of the things he teaches is all good. Yes, I am NZ based. Most you've cashed out, but like how much of a withdrawal I've taken? I mean, I take withdrawals all the time. Last year in February, I made 110k in a day, and I cashed that out and went and bought a Raptor, a Ford Ranger Raptor. Right now I'm in yours, and next I'm gonna try trading pools and also a guy. Nice, bro. Damn, 110k in a day. Yo, 110k in a day. I can recall like everything that happened in that day too. I think I made a video on my TikTok actually. It's like a solid 6-minute video. Right, 5 minutes to go. We're still pushing up higher on gold. So when I trade news, I like to look at the USD pairs. Is that USD as well? Nah, that's NZD. That's NZD, bro. Alright. What's everyone's thoughts on what's going to happen when news drops? Everyone looking for buys or sells? Can y'all see that? That crashes. Surely not crashing. Alright. If price doesn't end up breaking above here, but just up here before news, then we could be looking at sells. Buys, let's go. GJ going back down. Yep. GJ is. Yeah, I mean, like getting into a GJ buy up here, GJ buy when it's at its high, like not really something that you want to do because it has all of this range down here to be coming back. What would you buy with 100k? I use MetaTrader, bro. I use MetaTrader. Nice. You've been practicing on a demo account? Has to get over 163k to push gold up. I think we look at sells, bro, but it's right in the middle of this imbalance. What's our 1 minute doing? Let's have a look real quick. Have you been trading? How long have you been trading? Bro, I've been trading like going into my 4th year. It's on TradingView. Nice. Realistically, how long do you think it would take a beginner to join your group? Oh, bro, it doesn't take long. Like, there's been students that have done it in like 3 months, 6 months. It just depends on you and how you learn. 25 seconds, bro. God damn. What are we doing? What are we doing? Are we going to go fill that imbalance? Are we going to go and fill that imbalance? Or are you going to go down? What are you going to do? I think it's looking buys technically. Is it going to be above 163? Is it even going to move? Alright, there we go. There we go. Buy up. Keep pushing above. Don't go into that and then drop. What was our news? What did our news come out at? $150k. So that should push gold up. It's bad for USD. Should push gold up. Beauty. We'll push it up then. Why is news so mucking around? That's rubbish. I haven't seen ADP like that in forever. Ugh. That is the weakest news I've ever seen. Do you use Fibonacci tool? Yeah, like I use the Fibonacci just to see where like 50% is, you know, equilibrium, all of that. But not necessarily for like entries and all of that. Just getting 78% on a strategy, backtesting, nice. What, 78% a day? God damn. Do you only trade gold? No, I don't only trade gold. All of these pairs that you can see over here are what I trade. Selling. What's NU doing? Pushing, yo. Coming up into this point of interest on the 15. That's good. EU should be pushing. GU should be going up. Yep. Yep. UJ coming down? No. Doing absolutely nothing. Gold did absolutely nothing. What pair? What are pairs that are connected? So you see like up here how it says gold spot against US dollar. So that means like XAU USD. should move similarly to anything with USD on the backside of the currency pair. So if we have a look at like EU and compare it to, say, gold, you can see like it moves pretty similarly, yeah? Moving up. Let's get rid of that. And have a look at EU versus GU. Super similar. So this orange line is GU. You can see it came up, came back down, came up. You know, it's pushing very nicely with all of this. So anything with USD on that end should all move very similarly. If that makes sense. GJ's pushing, yes, each day. 76% each day. God damn, bro. That's nuts. Any signals while you're live? Bro, like gold continuing to push, like gold should just keep pushing up, filling this imbalance. Yeah. We want to see it close above here. Do you trade NAS? 100%. NAS is my favorite for NYC. Have you ever had a company not pay up? Bro, I have. I mean, given I did break the rule, which I didn't realize, but they haven't paid me out. They didn't pay me out for that. But before that, it paid me out twice. So, yeah. Bro, please buy me a funded account. GJ is now running 1 to 8. So this trade that we sent out at 8:10 p.m. tonight, 69 people seen it, people getting in. This is the trade here. You can see the trade, like where we entered. This was on a 1 minute and now it's come all the way up to here. Still pushing. And so now it's just hit a 1 to 8. So if anyone doesn't know what a 1 to 8 is, then whatever you're risking and it hits a 1 to 8, you should be winning 8 times whatever you're risking. Right, gold's pushing now. We are up. Can you see that? About $8,000. Keep going. If it breaks here and keeps going, pushes up to here, we could probably finish the night on about 20k. But we want to see closure above here. We're at about 7,000, 8,000. Still pushing up. Now looking for a trustworthy broker and going live. Blueberry markets, bro. Blueberry markets are really good. I use Blueberry and Black Bull. But if you're in New Zealand, use Blueberry. We want closure above here. Are there any trading influencers that are scammers or fakers to your knowledge? Bro, honestly, I'm not sure. Like, I have no idea. Like a lot of them, like there's the guy AJ who has that funded prop firm, Funded X. Yeah, like a lot of people say that he like fakes all of his trades and things like that because he owns the prop firm and he can trade it. But you know, he runs a very good prop firm and pays everyone out. So yeah, maybe that's his thing rather than trading. Mumba FX, he's the same with like signals and stuff. I've been in his signals when I first started and yeah, it wasn't as profitable as he says. So yeah, you just got to be careful with all of that, eh? It's crazy. Do you use supply, demand, and fair value gaps? Yeah, 100%. Yeah, like supply, demand, fair value gaps. That's not a strategy on its own. That's a way to, you know, read the market. Like this is demand down here. So once NAS gets a break here and a retest into this zone again, then we could see it selling back down into this demand area. And that can be used with anything. Blueberry, thanks so much. No worries, man. If you go into my link tree, there's a link there, and they'll give you like a 30% bonus. Isn't Black Bull NZ based? Black Bull is NZ based, but if you want like good spreads, then yeah, go with Blueberry. Honestly, Blueberry is so good with spreads. Technical analysis, yes sir. It is technical analysis. Was goody, bro. Alright, now we're starting to come back down. If we have a look on our 5 minute, we're getting rejection from this point of interest here. So we got a minute left on this 5. If we end up closing below, then I'm probably just going to close out this trade. At the moment, we're at about $5,000. I don't even know how to like show you guys, but now it's at like 3. Pushing. Get up. Thank you so much. I totally appreciate it. It's a blessing. No worries, mate. Here to help. 45 seconds. We've taken the highs of here, which are London highs. And now we're starting to pull down. So we could see sells short term on gold. But let's just wait and see. Let's have a look at the 1 minute. 1 minute was still came into this point of interest here and getting rejection. Is that MT5 or MT4? MT4. I signed up with MT4 like when I first started and just didn't change. Thank you so much for the rose and the heart. That's crazy. Thank you. Honestly, I have no idea what that is, but after like the streams, I got a message that I'd made like 1 cent. Bruh, thank you very much, bro. Damn, wish I got into these types of things. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. Alright, we're starting to see rejection. We want to see closures above previous candles to hold the trade. If we can do that, we should be fine. Like we want to see price continuing to push above here. Then price will come back, but we just want to continuously step up into this zone. Once we get to this zone, we'll be sweet. But if price wants to come back down, it's probably going to come to like another key area, either this point of interest or somewhere down here, and then decide to push up later on in like NYSE. That piece of news like did absolutely nothing for us. What else do we have? We have unemployment claims in 3 minutes. That's more than likely, like it should bring volume, but it's not going to do much. And then we have PMI at 2 o'clock, so that might be what the USD pairs are waiting for. But let's see what happens. I'm learning so much from your academy, bro. This is so much to learn when it comes to this. Yeah, it's crazy, eh? Like the learning aspect when it comes to trading is just like I'm still learning myself. Like there's things that I want to learn that other traders know, you know? You in NZ or Oz? I'm in NZ at the moment, bro, but moving to Australia in a couple of months. Australia, bro, like moving to the Gold Coast. The Gold Coast just is on my wavelength, you know? Love it. Feels like I'm back in school at the moment. Feels like I'm back in school. The amount I have to learn with trading. But honestly, like trading it's a never ending learning curve, man. It's nuts. No joke, it's no joke. What's goody, my guy? What is goody? What made you get into trading? Like I always dabbled in like investing. And then obviously when COVID hit, had a lot of free time and then started watching videos on day trading, all of that. And just went from it, just didn't stop. Like I just seen potential in it and just, it was for me. Awesome, bro. I'm still learning trading too, and I've been studying since. Damn, bro, you've been studying forever. I started like learning trading in 2020, November 2020. Trading New York session in Australia must be a dream. Bro, honestly. Like I was there recently in the Gold Coast. Bro, I was trading NY at like 10 o'clock, NYC at 11:30, and then bro, I was like bed, midnight, or 12:30, like, which is pretty normal. When you're in the zone, it's good. I want you start losing. Very important. Ain't no one else. Yes, sir. He's my day one, that guy. Let's go. Been in it for a minute, but always something more to learn. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And I feel like when I started learning, it was just, like, I just didn't stop. I was learning every minute, every hour of the day, as much as I could. It was just crazy. Would you ever move to Dubai? Would I ever move to Dubai? Come on. I'd move to Dubai in a heartbeat. But I've got kids here in New Zealand, so going to the Gold Coast, I'm going to be flying back quite a lot. Oh, let's push. Let's push unemployment claims right now. Push. Push. Get up. Keep going. Keep going. Go up. Close above. Close above. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. We're in 5 digits. Can you see that? We're in 5 digits right now. People, with about 13,000. We need price to keep going up. Get there. Move to the Goldie and send me. Oh, cuz if I go and buy new clubs, guys, I'll send my golf clubs up to you. We're at 14,000 now, Tim. Oh, can you just keep going? We need to have a look at what our news came out as. Pending. Trade balance, good. Unemployment claims even. Neutral? Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Alright, push. Push. Haha. Is it worth getting in gold now or too late? Bro, you don't want to get into trades when they're at like higher highs. So if you're at a higher high, realistically you want to be trying to look for a sell. If you're at a higher low, that's when you can try and find a buy. Nah, yeah, but like it takes about 17 hours to get to Dubai, bro. From like New Zealand, so that's like a whole day of like traveling, eh? Like, whereas like Gold Coast, it's just 3 hours, you know? Alright, you can see that we're at about $17,000. We want gold to keep pushing up. Realistically, like I'm low-key happy with that, eh? But I think gold's gonna keep going. Gold is going to keep going. We're nearly at 20. We're nearly at 20, people. We are nearly at $20,000. 21,000. Let's go. Bro, honestly, I'm going to take like half of that. I'm taking a partial on that, and then I'm moving my stop loss to break even. 2347.4. Ooh, yo. All right, we just took. You can see that we just took 9,700 partials, and we're still in with 11,000. So I just took 50%, and we're still pumping. Oh, let's go. Not in that mindset. Yeah, you don't want to be in a shit mindset when you're trading. Bruh, they be calling me out like that. Oh, they come on here and call me out like that, my guy. Come on. How do you take partials on MT4? Bro, so if you're in a trade, click, you know, the button where you go to like close profit. So when you close profit, you just change your lot size to something lower, and then it'll take partials. Trading money is different, bro. Hard to believe and see it firsthand. Yo. Alright, starting to pull back now. The trade that I'm holding is currently at 13,000. We're at about 13,000 right now. It's dropping down to 11. It's pushing back up. We might be seeing resistance right here. Let's quickly have a look at our Hakanashis. So we can see on our Hakanashis 1 minute, like everything's just been green. As soon as we get a red candle, I'm out, bro. Not that I do this often, but yeah. Hakanashis, if you don't know, is like volume trading. But honestly, like so many New Zealanders don't understand trading. It's crazy. What time set? What do you mean, my guy? Oh, let's go. Gold is pushing, baby. Alright, we could see price potentially coming back to this point of interest on our 1 minute and then keep pushing up. Bro, like a trade that we were like, I was doing a podcast while this trade happened, but today there was this trade that I marked up. So this was this morning. Price was like here this morning. Wanted to come back down into this point of interest and then trade off this point of interest here. Unfortunately, at this time I was doing a podcast, so I didn't actually end up catching it. But that trade right there to like right now would have been a 1 to 16 trade. Ugh, so annoying, bro. So annoying. Alright, we're going. We're heading to that zone. We're heading to that zone, baby. It's gone now. Yes, sir, it's gone, baby. Gold is pushing. Anyone get into that sell? Oh, into that buy on gold for the news?
I got in before.
Yo, so I've been in since what's it called, news? That 12.50. We hit those bars, baby.
Did you jump in gold?
Yep.
Nice. I got an NU in gold. I don't know why NU, just because it was way lower in a POI than EU was.
Yeah.
EU's just pumping. Gold's coming into that.
Imagine that gold trade from Asian though.
Thank-
Cool banana, bruh. What are we up to, chat? What are we up to? 14k right now, bruh. We're hitting that. How do you identify your points of interest? So like, there's a few ways, bro. I mean, it's hard to explain because like I go real in depth with it in my course. But pretty much it's like you can identify it as like the last up before the down or the last down before the up move, which is like a real simple way of explaining it. Taxman must love you. What Taxman? Bro, that's why I want to go to Dubai. So many traders go to Dubai just for that reason. Put money in my kids. Have a good one. Cuz, thank you for dropping in, my man. How was US 30? US 30. It's coming down, bro. Like, if we end up seeing closures and stuff below here, like body closures below this point, then we could be looking at selling that, closing below here, pulling back up into somewhere in here, and then selling it down to fill the imbalance. And that's looking very similar to like NAS. Closure below here, pull back up for NYSE, and then sell it all the way down. We'll be sending those signals out anyway in our signals channel if you want to catch that. Oh, fucking, that is so beautiful. What's your lot size to have that profit? How do you sign up to your course? So the course is in my link tree. Course is in the link tree, bro. Alright, here comes gold. Gold's coming back. Push back up, gold. I'm actually gonna take that. Straight up, I'm taking that. I am taking that. We are out of that trade. We are out of that trade, baby. That was a beautiful trade. If anyone can see that, you can see that. That's at 25k. 25k, bro. I was trading 40 lots on that. 40 lots on that, bro. Who doesn't love the idea of 0% tax? Bruh, can't let the government get you, bro. Can't let it get you. Alright. We just hit that. We just hit that trade, bro. That's nuts. What a trade. What a trade. Alright. Looking at analysis now, waiting for gold to get up into here if it ends up coming. Pretty much we've been waiting all week for it to fill this imbalance, so I'm stoked that it happened today. Come up into here, then we're trying to look for lower time frame changes of the character. If it ends up breaking through this high, then it's going to fill this imbalance that's over here as well. There we can see. But breaking above this high, we see a lot of consolidation, or a lot of like different areas where it can get rejected. So yeah, just watching what gold's going to do, and then we'll try and react off it and make some money. It depends what, like on my first trading accounts I set it to NZD. Now I set every single currency for my trading accounts to USD. How long did it take you to become profitable? Oh bro, like too long. Bro, it's crazy because like it took me years to become profitable, and like one of my students, or like a couple of my students now, like people that jump into the education platform, bro, one of them made like 19,000 just on Monday gone. 19,000. Let's have a look at EU. Yeah, see, EU is pumping. See how gold pumped? EU did the exact same thing. EU and gold, GU, all move the same. If we have a look at USD, I won't even look at, see USD, JPY. If we have a look at this, I guarantee you it's probably is going down. Yep, selling. On the 15 minutes, selling. We look at UCAD, guarantee it's selling. Won't even look at it, promise you. Selling. Gotta know this stuff, chat. You gotta know this stuff. Let's go. 1 minute left on this 15-minute candle. We'll probably get a pullback on the next 15. And might be able to see some buys going up. What are you trading on? Trading on MT4 at the moment. Bro, just made some people's salary in less than an hour. But I try not to think about that, Like, especially after I won 110k in a day. Like, everything, like, I haven't even made that in a day again. And it's been over a year now. 25k USD is crazy. Yo. I'm expecting years, to be honest, bro, but it's all... But honestly, if you stay consistent at trading, bruh, you can make money, I promise you. Like, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Don't get me wrong, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you stay consistent to learning, then, yeah, you will be profitable. Straight up, I need to get back into it. Bruh. Honest, like, people give up on trading so quick because they don't turn their, $200, $500, $1,000 into $1 million straight away. Like, be realistic when it comes to trading. Like, trading is a job. People do it on Wall Street every single day. People are doing it at banks every single day. Like, it's not something that you, like, is like a, normal. Like, trading is a job. So if you look at it as if it's a job and you put that study in, as if you're training to be a doctor, then, bro, you're gonna make it. You just can't expect to come into trading, make $1 million within the first 6 months, and then, live that lavish lifestyle. Guarantee if you talk to any profitable trader, like anyone that's on YouTube, QBanks, like all of them, bro, they did it for years before they became profitable. Years. Is trading gambling? Nah, trading's not gambling. Like, gambling is, blackjack, roulette, all of it is happening by chance. Trading doesn't happen by chance. If you know what you're doing, then, like, pretty much analyzing these trades that we did today, this trade here that I marked up, coming back to my point of interest area, we're pushing to these highs. I anticipated that the market was going to bring price back to here and then push up. That's not by luck. That's by studying. That's by analyzing. I'm not just like jumping on here, entering into the market at any random place. You know what I mean? What do you think was the biggest factor to your success as a day trader? Honestly, bro, was getting a mentor. Like, someone that had already made it in trading to tell me what to do, what not to do. Am I doing this correctly? Like, am I doing something wrong? If you're doing it by yourself and you're learning, like, people from YouTube, because there are, like, some pretty good stuff on YouTube, but you've got to work out in your, with yourself, if you're doing it correctly or not. You don't have anyone to, sort of ask those questions. You know what I mean? So, getting a mentor, and like, it shows, because like the people that I've been mentoring this year, like a guy that started with me 3, 4, 5 months ago, like, he's now making, he's made $19,000 USD on Monday, like 2 days ago. That's USD. Like, how many people can say that they did that, bro. Like, what is 19k? That's 31,000 NZ dollars. 31,000 NZ dollars, bro. Some people must get so mad seeing a beginner get consistently profitable and fun. Bro, it is, but like this guy, he didn't jump on and just, put 1 hour in a day. This guy was doing it in all of his off time, like even on breaks at work and things like that. Like he was just watching, learning, practicing. Like he committed. Like he probably did about 2 years of learning within that 5 months. Like you can't expect to come in this and like put in minimal effort but get maximum results, just like anything. What website do you use to check the news? Forex Factory. So Forex Factory has all the news stuff in here. All of the news, like what time it is, what currency it's going to affect, what impact it's going to have. So it's like red folders, what type of news it is, the forecast previous, all of that, like graphs. But it's really good. Really, really good. Yes, sir. There's risk involved, and when you win it, realize it releases endorphins. It's pretty much gambling. No hate there. Yeah, I mean, there is risk involved. But there's risk involved in anything. Like there's risk in going to work. You could get hurt. You can't risk it, you ain't going to get the biscuit, bro. I mean, yeah, like a lot of people do think it's gambling. Me, you can't go to the poker machines, analyze what's previously been done, and, figure out what poker machine to play. That's not what happens. If you could, like, people would choose the right poker machine to play all the time. They'll be professional poker players, but, realistically, it's not. Poker machines are randomized. Like, their whole algorithm is random. This is not random. This is moved. Like, these markets are moved by fundamentals. These markets are moved by all of these different economic events that are happening all around the world. So, like to call it gambling, I just got a big hate on that. No offense. Like, I understand where you're coming from. It's low, but we are learning, yeah. Yes, sir. It's possible to earn while you... Yeah. So, like, I have something called, like, a copy trader. So, if you make an account, it'll pretty much just copy the trades that I'm going into. Obviously, like, I'm not trading news with a copy trader, like, risking all of that. But, yeah. Thoughts on TGR? TJ's a good trader, bro. Like he trades SMC and he trades, supply and demand, all of that. Very aggressive, but yeah. I don't trade crypto, bro. I mean, I buy crypto, but I don't trade it. Bro, can you talk us through the rules of what you can and can't do? Bro, honestly, I don't even know what all the rules are on Infinity FX. Like, they do have the rules on there. Like, if you jump on there, bro, you'll be able to find the rules in that. Do you learn about economics outside of the news, just like economics in general? Nah, not really. I mean, economics in general is not, because like mainstream media, I don't believe like some of the shit that they say. You know what I mean? Like, deceiving, and so like I have a look at what economic events and news events, political events are occurring, and then try and read what market has done and what could potentially happen in the future. Like knowing over here that we needed to fill this imbalance and that the news and all of that was aligning with filling this imbalance, it gave me clarity on which way I should be trading. Does that make sense? I need some one-on-one. Bro, just jump into the Discord and book a one-on-one. You can do it in there. I'm pretty handy gambling addict. Want to get into trading though. You think it'll fill the void? I mean, it depends, bro. Like, are you going to actually learn how to trade, or are you going to jump on and like just try and smash money and try and win, you know? If you learn properly, it will fill the void, because like adrenaline rushes like that, like winning 25k just before, like I'm pumped. That's why I'm talking to you guys. If I didn't do that, then cuz I'll be jumping over right now. Me too, hate it when friends ask. Yup. Thoughts on Huvier? Bro, he's so good. I like Huvier. I like his videos, you know? Like, he trades a very like random style with just Hakanashis, but he too has like a type of strategy which is like SMC. So he points out like key points, key areas, points of interest, you know, things like that. So it's good. Heard of Daddy Coin? I've not heard of Daddy Coin. Yeah, better than gambling. What app you use for trading? I use MetaTrader 4. Thoughts on Trading Pool? But on it, like Trading Pool was in the Gold Coast when I didn't actually see him, but we're going to the same gym. Yeah, like he does really well with like all of his social media, but I think he's still starting out. Like, he put a video up the other day that he was like going out to celebrate winning like 4.8k, but he does really, really well with his social media. That's something that I struggle with. Like, I care nothing about social media, but I've gotten to the point where like a lot of people have asked me how to trade, and so this is why I'm creating the education platform and starting to try and teach people, just so that you guys can learn how to make this money as well and do it on your own. How long did it take you to get invested in trading? Invested as in like what? Because like you can sign up to a broker and instantly like just have money. Put money in there and start trading. Or do you mean like, what do you mean? What do you mean, my guy, Ocean? Alright, so we pulled out at the right time because gold ended up coming all the way back into this 15-minute point of interest. If we ever look at the 5, it could be coming back down. If we break below these lows here, so we pushed up higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So if we break below these lows, then we could start seeing gold retrace and start coming back down into these areas. Obviously, we're expecting price to push back up into this point of interest here. But, yeah. We had to figure out. See my comment on your YT channel? Yeah, bro. I did. I've also been in your signals before and was gobsmacked by how many. Bro, I appreciate that, man. It's funny, like there's hardly any people that join my signals, but I reckon they're the best. They're the best on the market. I see other people's signals and they're like, oh man, we just won a 1 to 3, because we're already at like a 1 to 8 just on one trade today. See my comment in your YT. Bro, I did see the comment. So with Infinity, they have a page on there that has the rules, and it has like a spreadsheet of all the different rules. So if you jump on there, check that out. Because like realistically, I don't actually know all of the rules. Like there's some things that are sort of real common sense, but yeah. Understanding the fundamental, yes. Yeah, your R&R are crazy. But it's honestly not hard. It's like catching big trades is honestly not hard. If I joined your group as a complete beginner, what would be your best advice starting out? But best advice, we just did like a podcast about this. Best advice, if you join, like don't be shy on the Discord. Ask as many questions as you can. Join all the lives. Join all the education calls. Learn the education platform. Don't just like pump through it. Like realistically, you could get through it in about 4 hours. Don't do that. Each video, like make sure you understand what I teach and apply it to the markets. And then after that, practice whilst we're trading live and things like that. And then practice yourself as well. Once you get to the point where like you're profitable on a practice account, like a demo account, then that's when I'd put a little bit of money in. Once you get profitable on that little bit of live money, then either put more money in if you have more money or buy a funded account. Can you send me the free Discord on Insta? Say less. Bro, if you just go into my link tree, it's in there. I need to change the link because sometimes people are... Bro, so you look at this trade. A 1 to 9 hit. This is our GJ trade that we sent out. 1 to 9 hit. This is where we entered, right off here. As price is pushing up, volume. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Trying to create that higher high now. This is a trade that got sent out in our signals. How many people took it? 69 people took that trade. We have 121 people in our Forex signals. There's all of these other ones. Like, bruv, only 121 people know about it? Like, how? If people don't know what a 1 to 9 is, like if you were in that trade and you're risking $1,000, you would have just won $9,000. If you're risking $100, you would have won $900. Like, come on, bro. Is it updated? No, it's not updated. I'll send you a link. Mastered and rip, y'all. Let's go. How does the payout system work with funded accounts? It depends on each prop firm. Like, depends on the prop firm, bro. Yeah. Each different prop firm has a different style. Like, some you have to wait like 5 days. Some you have to wait 10 days. Some you have to wait 30 days. And then some might have like 90-10 split. Some are 50-50. Some are 80-20. Yeah, you just got to figure out what one you like the best, because there's so many. Honestly, there's like thousands of prop firms out there. People are just dying to give you money to trade for them. It's crazy. Your Discord link's invalid, bro. Let me see if I can put the link up for y'all. Let's just see if I can send the link to him. Alright, here we go. don't think I can send like a link in here. I can't send a link, I don't know why. What's that, cuz? Are you in gold again?
Oh shit, is my mic on?
Oh, not the sneaky ones.
That sneaky guy again.
Sneaky guy, eh? Thoughts on Asian sesh? I don't trade Asian sesh myself.
Right on that 5 minute.
But yeah, that's just me. I like volume like that. Like I got into that trade down here, it pushed up for 5, 10, 15 minutes, and like that's maybe here. Got into the trade here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. Was in that trade for 25 minutes whilst the volume was here. Like you can see these bigger candles compared to these ones. So whilst the volume's there, 25 minutes, I made 25 grand. Man, that's crazy, bro. Like $1,000 a minute whilst I'm trading. God damn. What's your preference on a prop firm, bro? Top Step's really good, but Top Step's futures trading. I've used Infinity Forex as well. And they've paid me out a couple of times, but they also denied me a payout, which I was really gutted about. But yeah, it is what it is.
I like it.
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? Are you gonna full march tonight or?
Full March what?
No, Slade on his new account.
Why are you saying words I like, bro? Easy, Slade.
And send it.
Full send.
Just keep that tight loss, that stop loss tight.
The old tight loss.
You
Like toss. There you go. We get a tap in.
Ui.
Oh, he just went into one.
Oh, whatever. My headphones died.
Did your headphones die?
Oh no.
What? What?
Sorry, look at Slade's screen. There you go.
Oh, I thought you guys couldn't hear me for a second. For some reason it cut out.
The RM. The Richard Mill watch? Oh, but it was second hand. Got it off a reseller. Are you trading full time, bro, or is this still the hustle? No, I'm trading full time, bro. Like, this is my full time job.
This one.
I don't have a job.
Oh, he's already in.
Don't make me nervous, guy.
What are you in? US 30?
Gold.
Gold what? Buy?
Eh.
Ooh.
He's already up 1500. 16.
Ooh.
Yeah. Close it now. No.
Are you up 1600 right now?
2K.
He's up 2k. Right, that was in like 5 seconds.
5 seconds, you're up 2k, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna close it because
Nice,
nah, you and your full marching, eh? Heck, that was scary as hell.
Sorry, team. I was just talking to my team. We're on a Zoom,
2K.
live on our exclusive
I see, is that
Discord,
on your new account?
and
Yeah.
one of my students, but he ended up working for
What do
me.
you have to make on that?
He just made $2,000 in like
What's
a minute.
150 I think it's 9K.
9K.
Oh, mean. You're already part way there.
Yeah.
Who do you-
And then what's the?
Are you trading for? Do we
Can you
have
make
to be in your paid
one
signals
half
group
it?
to get signals? What you
For
call?
the day.
Yeah, you have to be in the paid signals group for signals, bro.
Still, that's 2 days.
What were you
you've done
doing
it,
before
you can
trading?
make 4.5.
I was a real estate agent, bro, before trading in Wellington and Wadadapa. Shall we all
Yeah, how
get
many
into
contracts
gold
was in there?
again,
That
or
was
do we
15
think it's gonna
contracts.
move back more? Bro, I'm not gonna get into like, cause I've made 25k. Like that's like with my risk management, I'm sort of just out for the day. But I'm gonna risk $5,000 of that when we go into NYSE for US30 and NAS. But gold is going back up, and one of my students that I'm on Zoom with right now,
Make your mum.
he just won $2,000 trading gold back up. Do you teach how to trade futures as well? Bro, it's exactly the same. Exactly the same trading futures.
Oh, you
Like the strategy
Look, you could
that
have
I teach you,
I'm stalling.
Yeah, of course you
yeah,
are.
you'll be away.
Like got the shakes.
I heard someone say bye, so I jumped in.
Here we go.
Let's go Zoom.
Man,
Because what are you up at the moment, Ali?
I'm floating at 4.5, between 4.5 and 5.
4.5 and $5,000. Let's go.
Oh, so where I was, you were at 2. You were at 2 as well,
Yeah, bro.
Did you use enter at the same time? This guy, he's like, oh, he's already in.
Yeah, he got him because he got him at the close of this candle here.
he tried to scare you out. Oh, he's already in. Slade's like, oh shit.
Yeah, I was like, nah, I'm just checking in the limit just in case.
So what'd you get? Like 30? Yeah, about 30 pips.
Yeah.
And you got
Nice.
2K.
I made 2K. How much is that? What's that?
$2,000, bro. What's that lot size?
So one lot's $100 per 10 pips.
What?
10 lots is 1,000 per 10 pips. So it's probably equivalent to about 15 lots, yeah.
15 months. Oh, okay. 15.
Too
Oh, yeah,
easy.
that makes sense.
Approximately, without being specific, but sounds about right.
Oh, okay, so it's not too far off then. The whole
So
contract
yeah,
setup.
must be much of the muchness, really. Just change the lingo. Tick, pip, contract, lot.
We'll come into that grey box. There's that hourly, filling all of that imbalance. Too easy. It's too easy.
It literally whipped the 618, like to
Mm.
the pip almost.
Loves a
Still in all
618.
15 contracts too. I was surprised that it grabbed all 15 of them.
When there's volume, it'll fill all your contracts. Like New York, bro, like I never get partially filled out. It's always like
Yo, because
take the-
sometimes I get partially filled if I'm doing the train London.
True, yeah.
Fills in like maybe three or four contracts and then lose one. That was a main tester. Okay, what's next? Who's the next full march?
Because you would have been passed by now.
Yeah, what? Because what are you at now?
I'm at 7 now.
7 now. I guess I could just check it. Guess I could just check what you're up to. $8. Gee, I want to see our name on the Discord. On the Top Step Discord. I'll be chucking all the emojis on there.
Bro, I'm gonna get my
Oh, fair, it's just
my
still
account
like.
approved so I can take that music payout.
Yo, see if you can top the charts on the
Who's at the
They're
top
like-
of the chart now?
Oh,
Yeah, no.
I'll have to check. I wonder if there is a top leaderboard. They were like, who's this? Who's this fellow all the way from New Zealand with this massive ass payout?
If you reach a certain yeah, like it depends. Like if we're looking at like these trades here, like higher high, higher low, you know, if you got in at this point of interest here, once we broke this, like higher high, and then this would be previous low. So I would move my stop loss to here. And then once we break this, higher high, higher low, stop loss will come to here. Higher high, higher low, stop loss will come to here. So that's how I'd work it. If I'm, you know, in a trade and holding it for a very long amount of time. Shit. Bruh, we're trying to hold on here.
Well, Ali, that Tanja chick, she's she's number 112. On the leaderboard.
Yeah, she doesn't fall much though.
No. I think she sends out 3 contracts or something. Yeah.
Mm.
I just seen your message. Because I just got your message, Slade. Oh, cracked me up.
I was in the middle of trying to win a game.
Sounds like everyone is printing tonight. Yes, sir. Which prop firm do you use? I don't actually trade like funded accounts, but a few of my members, students, they use Top Step for funded accounts. Are the people you're in call with your students? Yes, sir. Sorry, bro. Yeah, everyone's printing. Guess that answers my question, yeah. Everyone's printing money at the moment, bro. Well, if you want to be printing money, join the disc, bro. Ugh. God damn. Oh, shit.